believed to be greased with animal fat, igniting widespread discontent and a major uprising against British rule. A.O. Hume. Alan Octavian Hume was a British political reformer, civil servant and botanist who founded the Indian National Congress. He supported the idea of self-governance by Indians.
Tritiya Tanaya of 4D as Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi is a prominent leader of the Indian Rebellion of 1857. She fiercely resisted the British colonial rule. In July 1857, she led her troops to defend Jhansi, appraising bravery and powerless. Thank you. Hardik of 4E as Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru. In 1889, Jawaharlal Nehru joined Indian National Congress, marking the beginning of his political career. His involvement in the Indian National Congress played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence from British rule. Nehru later became the central figure in Indian politics and the first Prime Minister of independent India.
Non-cooperation movement. In 1920, Mahatma Gandhi launched non-cooperation movement urging all the Indians to support the British institutions. This movement included the boycotts of British goods, services and honors. Subhash Chandra Bose. Sajid Ranau's second Subhash Chandra Bose joined the Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. Both of them became the key figures in the India struggle for the independence. Their commitment highlighted the growing resistance against the British rule among the India's youth. 3E as Alluri Sitaram Raju. Alluri Sitaram Raju. The uprising was against the exploitative British policies and the oppressive forest laws that threatened the lives of the tribes in the region. Abhay Pratap of 3A as Bhagat Singh. Reyansh of 2G and Manas Kumar of 4D as Chandrasekhar Azad.
Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad. In 1931, Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad killed the British officials to avenge the deaths of the leader Lala Bhai Patel. The bold action was in the part of the fight against the British rule. They became heroes and inspired many Indians who they are struggling for freedom. Their sacrifices was remembered as a symbol of bravery and resistance.
Jaideep of 3A as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was known as the Iron Man of India for his bravery. Quit India movement. Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. British arrested top INC leaders. Movement spread across India. Movement subsides due to internal conflicts. Kartikeya of 4A as Tantia Tope. Tantia Tope orchestral and anti-British rebellion with Nana Sahib's support. Tantya was appointed as a commander-in-chief at the East India Company Bharatiya troops stationed at Kampu in May 1875. Pushpa of 4C as Avantibai.
Avantibai, also known as Avantibai Lodi, was the queen of Lodi state of Ramgarh.
Pragnay of 4A as Nana Sahib.
Avantibai, also known as Avantibai Lodi, was the queen of Lodi state of Ramgarh in central India during the rebellion of 1857. She is considered as an unsung hero of the rebellion. Rani Chennamma. Rani Chennamma was the queen of princely state of Kittur, present in Karnataka, India. She led a war against the British in 1824, fighting against the British East India Company attempts to kill all the British people. Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib was a prominent figure in Indian history and was a prominent figure in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Thank you.
The students will be escorted by the class teachers back to their classes. Students are requested to be seated here. After the vote of thanks, your class teachers will escort you back to the classes and you will only come down when the bell for dispersal rings. It's a request to the parents not to take their children till then. Thank you.
Kudos to our talented students for the mesmerizing performance. As we come to the end of this beautiful celebration, let's call upon Akula Rashni ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you. What a vibrant energy, filled with pride. A very good morning to one and all present here. Happy Independence Day to all. As we culminate our Independence Day festivities, it is my esteemed privilege to express our profound gratitude to all stakeholders who have contributed to the success of this momentous occasion. Firstly, I would like to extend our deepest appreciation to the venerable management of our institution for its unwavering patronage and visionary leadership for being instrumental in actualizing today's celebration. Our heartfelt accolades also goes to our esteemed principal ma'am, Ms. Renu Chakrabarti, whose dedication and commitment to excellence inspire us daily. Her relentless endeavors to nurture and guide us are truly laudable, and we are thankful for her continuous support and mentorship. A special thanks to the CCA and Sports Department for the meticulous planning and execution of the various activities and events which have added dynamism and fervor to our celebration. The tireless efforts behind the scenes have not gone unnoticed, and we are immensely grateful for your invaluable contribution. I also extend my thanks to the IT department for managing all technical aspects behind the scenes, and also to the admin department for their participation in today's event. A special thank you to our erudite teaching staff whose tireless dedication to educating and shaping young minds is the cornerstone of our success. We also extend our gratitude to the non-teaching staff whose efforts ensure the seamless functioning of our school. Their hard work and dedication, often behind the scenes, are the backbone of our institution. Thank you, dear students, for your effortless energy, enthusiasm, and active participation. You have made this celebration vibrant and memorable, and your performances and contributions have filled us with pride and joy. We also express our sincere gratitude to the parents who have supported us throughout this this journey, your encouragement and trust in us is the driving force for us. I also extend my sincere gratitude to all the teachers, those who have trained the children for today's event. In conclusion, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all who have contributed to this momentous occasion. Your collective effort have been made this Independence Day celebration an unforgettable experience. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind.
मंगल पांडे